हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज के हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं क्लास 9th एसएस का चैप्टर नंबर 3 मूवमेंट टुवर्ड अ न्यू वर्ल्ड। स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर बिना किसी देरी के। फैसिज्म इन इटली। इटली was on the side of the winning nations. $12 billion and 6 lakh soldiers lost lives. Yet the other winning nation took over the choices territories, ignoring Italy. Italy was angry and frustrated. Benito Mussolini launched the fascist party. He adopted a bundle of sticks and acts as a symbol of the supremacy of the Roman Emperor as the symbol of this party. Fascism is the Italian word fascismo and fascis, means absolute control of the state on all things. Next point, Mussolini Maxims was one party, one leader. He gave military training to his party volunteers who wore black uniform. After coming to power, Mussolini captured Rhodes and Dodecans Island from Turkey. He won Albania, Abyssinia and Fiume Port of 1924. सेकेंड आता है नाजिज्म इन जर्मनी। फर्स्ट पॉइंट, जर्मनी लॉस्ट फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर। सेकेंड पॉइंट, इट वॉज इकोनॉमिकली ruined. थर्ड पॉइंट, जर्मनी टू साइन ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सेलिस। Fourth point, Adolf Hitler joined the National Socialist German Workers' Party in 1919. This party is known as Nazi Party. Next point, Nazi philosophy, nationalism and socialism. After the death of President Hindenburg, Hitler assumed the post. Hitler established his dictatorial rule. Nazi soldiers wore blue military uniform and stuck a red strip on their shoulders and wore a symbol of swastika. In the name of purification of German race, his policies were targeted at exterminating Jews, Gypsies, and mentally challenged people. By the end of Second World War, innumerable European Jews lost lives, which known as Holocaust. थर्ड आता है मिलिटेरिज्म इन जापान। In the 1922 Washington meet, Japan had to agree to have only 35% of the English and American naval force. Japan also had to vacate the island of Sakhalin and Siberia. The military nationalism of Japan adopted the policy of expansion. Japan did not get a permanent place in the League of Nations. Next point, Japan captured Manchuria and established Manchukuo government 1932. Also it captured Korea, Mongolia, Shantung and some provinces of China. Next point, after Emperor Hirohito, 1936 also encouraged activities of Japan. Thus, Japan snapped all its ties with the League of Nations in 1933. Fourth आता है ग्लोबल डिप्रेशन 1929 से 32 तक। First point, heads of most of the European nations believed that with the end of the First World War, even the post-war problems of the world will come to the end. But these proved wrong. Second point, a large number of shares began to be sold in the Wall Street stock market, causing the stock market to crumble. This is called as the Wall Street crisis by the critics 24th October 1929. Next point, the crisis shook the whole world and shattered the economic condition of the nations. Most of the nations of the world were affected by this. Next point है, prosperous nations like America also had to impose strict measures. Global trade and was reduced to half. Causes of World War II. First है fierce nationalism. After the First World War, fierce nationalism developed in Germany, Japan, and Italy. Second point, Hitler captured some provinces of Austria and Czechoslovakia. Third point, Italy could not forget that it was ignored in the Treaty of Versailles. Under the leadership of Fascist Party, Mussolini started fierce nationalism and adopted imperialist policies. सेकेंड जो आपका आता है वो है ग्रुपिज्म. Since France was always afraid to Germany, after the First World War, it entered into the treaty with Belgium, Poland, Romania, and Czechoslovakia. Second point, Italy signed a treaty with Czechoslovakia, Yugoslavia, Romania, Hungary, Greece, Turkey, and Austria. Russia signed a treaty with Germany, Turkey, Lithuania, and Iran. Italy formed the Rome Berlin Tokyo Axis group with the support of Germany and Japan. England and France formed another group with democratic values. Germany signed a non-aggression treaty with Russia. Second आता है मिलिटेरिज्म. European nations were competing for ammunition. The production of more and more weapons increased in all European nations. Some nations like Russia, Germany began compulsory military training. All nations began inducting more men into Navy, Air Force, and Army. In the East, Japan increased its military force. Fourth number, failure of League of Nations. In order to establish peace after the First World War, the League of Nations was formed. First point, member nations were not obligated to take their problems to the League of Nations or to accept the judgment passed by it. Russia and Germany snapped their ties with the League of Nations. Later, Italy and Japan moved out because Italy had captured Abyssinia. Japan had attacked Manchuria. Germany had snatched away some provinces of Czechoslovakia. The greed for power among several nations became stronger in the League of Nations. It could not stop groupism. फिफ्थ है आपका ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साइलिस. Germany was found responsible for the war. It had to pay 6.5 billion pound as was fine. Its rural provinces was taken away. Rhine River had to be opened for international sea route. Adolf Hitler discarded the treaty and called it a piece of paper and ignored it. 6. Imperialistic ambition of Adolf Hitler. Hitler had ambition to bring all German-speaking people under his rule. He annexed Austria on 12th March 1938, Czechoslovakia on 1st October 1938, and Mammal Port of Lithuania in March 1939. 7 है German attack on Poland. A German invasion of Poland on 1st September 1939 led to the outbreak of the Second World War. England and France declared war on Germany in protest against Germany's invasion of Poland. यहाँ पे आपका पार्ट 1 ख़त्म होता है. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद है इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. जल्द ही हम आपके लिए पार्ट 2 इस चैप्टर का लेके आने वाले हैं. मिलता है. जय हिंद, जय भारत.